everybody. I'm Chef Parvinder Bali, currently standing at the center of NFCI at Amritsar. NFCI was established in 1990 and I had almost a 4-hour session here with the students, and they had a lot of questions to ask. They were very bright young people that I met who had aspirations and dreams. And I hope each one a lot of success, and may they become very successful in the hospitality industry or a similar career that they want to choose from. Thank you.